The easiest way to install DVT is from one of the distributions available on dvteclipse.com. Download the macOS distribution archive. The archive should be automatically unpacked by your browser. If this is not the case, unpack it using your preferred archive manager. The easiest way to run DVT is by using the macOS DVT launcher. To install the launcher, drag the DVT app from the unpacked DVT Eclipse bin folder into your Applications folder. Open your preferred text editor. Set the DVT Home environment variable to point to the unpacked DVT Eclipse folder. Set the DVT license file variable to point to the license server or license file. Then, save this newly created file as dvt.launcher and place it inside the .dvt folder located under your user folder. Now you can use the DVT app like any macOS application, using the Launchpad, Dock, Spotlight, or by double-clicking. Alternatively, you can open a terminal window, set the DVT Home and DVT license file environment variables, and run the DVT Home bin DVT-sh script.